Health and fitness is a common topic in the IELTS speaking test. Today, I'll share some useful phrases and example sentences on this topic. At the end of the video, I'll share questions to practice these phrases, and you can watch sample answers here. The link to the PDF document is in the first comment. 1. Eat a balanced diet.
I try to eat a balanced diet that includes all the essential nutrients.
2. Exercise regularly.
I make it a habit to exercise regularly, at least 5 times a week.
3. Get enough sleep.
Getting enough sleep is crucial for both physical and mental well-being.
4. Stay hydrated.
I always carry a water bottle to ensure I stay hydrated throughout the day.
5. Going for a jog.
I enjoy going for a jog in the park early in the morning.
6. Take the stairs instead of the elevator.
I often take the stairs instead of the elevator to get some extra exercise.
7. Maintain both physical and mental health.
Regular exercise and meditation help me maintain both physical and mental health.
8. Prevent diseases.
Eating a healthy diet and staying active can prevent diseases like diabetes.
9. Boost energy levels.
A nutritious breakfast can significantly boost energy levels for the day ahead.
10. Reduce stress.
I go for a walk in nature to reduce stress after a long day.
11. Fresh and whole foods.
I try to include fresh and whole foods like vegetables and grains in my meals.
12. Lean proteins.
Lean proteins, such as chicken or fish, are a regular part of my diet.
13. Limit processed foods and sugary snacks.
I try to limit processed foods and sugary snacks to avoid weight gain.
14. Make time for exercise.
Even with a busy schedule, I always make time for exercise in the mornings.
15. Short workouts make a big difference.
Short workouts make a big difference, especially on days when I'm short on time.
16. Rest in bed and take medication.
When I'm unwell, I rest in bed and take medication as prescribed by the doctor.
17. Drink warm fluids like tea and soup.
When I had a sore throat, I drank warm fluids like tea and soup to feel better.
18. Public health campaigns.
Public health campaigns can raise awareness about the benefits of regular exercise.
19. Recreational facilities like gyms and parks.
Recreational facilities like gyms and parks encourage people to stay active.
20. Strict regulations on junk food.
Stricter regulations on junk food can help reduce obesity rates in children.
That's the end of the phrases. Now, let's look at some questions about health and fitness. Try to use the phrases we just covered to answer these questions. Part 1. Do you think you are a healthy person? What do you usually do to stay fit? Do you think it's important for people to exercise? Why? What do you usually eat to stay healthy? Is it easy for you to find time to exercise? Part 2. Describe a time when you were ill. You should say, when was this? What were your symptoms? How long did the illness last? And say how it affected your life at the time. Part 3. What can governments do to encourage people to live healthier lives? Why do some people find it difficult to live a healthy lifestyle? Do you think modern lifestyles are healthier or unhealthier than in the past? What is the best way of helping people with an addiction? Do women pay more attention to their health than men? That's the end of today's video. You can find the link to the sample answer video in the description.